Hey guys, it's me Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you all of my fidget toys. And first I have this blue and orange bike chain, and the most I love about it is when I just can make stuff like a bee, circle. I give this a 7 out of 10. I got another bike chain, and it's green and orange. And the most I love about it is the same. Like, I can just move it really quickly, like this, like this. And I give this one an 8 out of 10. This is my white fidget toy, my white emoji, and it's my favourite. There might be more, so you need to wait. And this is my favourite one in the world. And I can like just squish it, and they're really soft. Or squish it, it's really fun. Now I give this one a 10 out of 10. This is my pink penguin puppet. It's supposed to be black, but it's actually pink. And that's really weird. The most I love about it is that I can pop it. And a keychain right here. Like that. And I can spin this. And I give this one 8 out of 10. And now I just got this yellow mochi. I told you there will be more, and this is my favourite one too. The most I love about it is the same as the white one. Push it, squish it. This way, that way, this way, that way, this way, that way. And I can do the ears. Look at the ears go. And I give this one a 10 out of 10. Next one, this is Demi's favourite. It's a simple dimple, and it's blue and pink. That's Demi's favourite colour on there. Oh yeah, by the way, Demi's my sister. The most I love about it is what I can pop it at the same time. I give this 9 out of 10. I got this green pop tube. That's Harry's favourite colour. Oh yeah, by the way, Harry's my brother. Get up. And I can do this. If you could hear it. And the most thing, I can just stretch it and put it back together, and I can do this, and I just hit the balloon. And if you can hear it, it's making this sound. Right, I had enough of this. I give this an 8 out of 10. Don't know what the cheese. I got a dodgeball. It's a DNA ball, and it looks like a gem. That's what I get. It's a yellow one. Not my favourite colour. And most I love about it is that I can catch it. Where'd it go? That was close. It nearly went down the bed. I'm never doing that again. And I give this a 1 out of 10. Because it just nearly went down the bed. I got this red or pink monkey noodle. And my most favourite thing is I can wrap this like a bracelet. I can stretch it, and I can do this. And that. No. Ow! Alright, I give this a 2 out of 10. What the? Get over there. Do not even get in my video again. Next, I got this blue pop tube that goes really loud and you can't even hear me. And I can spin it. Oh my god! That's what I thought. The most I love about is when I can this, and I give this a 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Told you, Balloon. That's what you get. He gives up. And I give this a 10 out of 10. Next, I just got this grey mochi moustache. And the most I love about it is the same as the white one and the yellow one. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it, and then I give this a 10 out of 10. I love this one. It's a pink mochi. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it, it's so cute. And the most I love about it is the same as a grey one, white one, and yellow one. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Poo. And I give this one a 10 out of 10. Yeah. This is my octopop that is a sandwich. Oh, so sick. And the next one, I think it's happy. No, it's not. It's just making the same as a fish face. And I can do this. My favourite thing is when I can pop it, and then pop. Change it now. There we go. Octopop. And I give this a 6 out of 10. I already did this one. Next, I got this red pop tube, and the favourite thing is when I can do is just do this. If you can hear it. Sorry! Get down there! You pay payback. I've got a necklace. Hello! And I give this a 10 out of 10. Red. Next, I got my favourite colour, purple. And the most I can do is the same as the red one, I think. This is Demi's favourite colour. I just showed you. This is my favourite colour. And the most I love about them is when I can stretch them. Stretch. And I got my brother's favourite colour. And these are all of our favourite colours. So I can stretch them. And I give these ones a 10 out of 10 because these are my favourite colours too. And I got this yellow marble mesh. And there's a marble in there if you can see. And then you can just do this and it moves. Boo, 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 boo. Do you guys like it? Do you like them? You can like the video if you like my fidget toy so far. And a blue marble mesh that you cannot see a marble in there. If you can. Do you see it? Do you guys see it? Do you guys see it? Comment down below if you see it. So this is my blue, dark blue marble mesh. And I got this red marble mesh that you can actually see the marble in. So I give this and this one's a 2 out of 10, this one's a 10 out of 10. I got this pink pop tube that is finally out. He didn't want to stay in there. If you can hear that, comment down below. This is my favourite one too. 10 out of 10. Circle. If this is big, if this is smaller than your face, comment down below. And I just got this rainbow puppet that I got from the store. This is actually mine, but I'll let Demi have it for a couple of years. Whoop, 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 whoop. And this is my favourite, so I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Next one, this is Harry's. It is very, very cool, and it's very, 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 very big. These are all of the colours that Harry got. It is purple, blue, green, blue, light blue, yellow and red, because I couldn't fit the red in there, so that's a shame, but it doesn't matter. The favourite one is I can pop it, and my favourite colours on these puppet is purple and blue, alright? So, purple, blue. You see I really pop them. Ready? Whoop, whoop, whoop. I give this a 10 out of 10. This one is Demi's one. It is very cool. Ah! I just bit it. I bit it. I give this a 10 out of 10, and my favourite one is that I can pop it. And it has the alphabet on it. And that's pretty cool. Do you see them? You see that? You see it? And finally on this one, 6. This is really cool. So the favourite thing that I can do is pop it, and I give this a 10 out of 10. And I've got this green marble mesh. And you can see the marble. I don't think you can see it in the camera, because this is more dark greener and this is more light greener. Whoops. And this one, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And this might be the same one, because it's a dark one and a light one. So, blue, 10 out of 10. Orange, 10 out of 10. Dark orange, 9 out of 10. Purple, 10 out of 10. Green, 10 out of 10. And I already, this one, favourite, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And another 10 out of 10. And that's all I need to show you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel and click that bell. See you guys later.